Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know by now, my name is Chef D, and today I am bringing to you guys the easiest and quickest Valentine's Day dessert literally for two people. Now, what I love about this dessert is that you can literally make this 2 days ahead, meaning you can make the sauce 2 days ahead, and then the day of Valentine's Day, you can literally put everything together in less than 15 minutes. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give your girl a big like, a big share, and a big subscribe. Let's get rolling. Let's start gathering all of our ingredients. The main ingredients here are the meringues, the chopped strawberries, the passion fruit, the cornstarch, the water, and the sugar, and the lemon zest. As you see right now, I'm literally taking out the pulp from the passion fruit, but if you guys can't find passion fruit fresh like this, you can always just use the pulp of the passion fruit. I prefer it with the seeds, and I am 100% sure that in grocery stores they do sell them with the seeds and with the fresh pulp. Now what we're going to do is the cornstarch. Now it's cornstarch with water. I would say room temperature water and a little bit of on the warmer side, and we're just going to whisk everything together, and this is what's going to help that sauce kind of thicken up so we can pour it over nicely onto our eaten mess. Now for the sauce, the only thing we're going to need is a small pot, and we're going to turn our stovetop to a medium heat or a medium high heat depending on how you like it. If you want it to cook very quickly, we're adding our cornstarch mixture, we are adding our passion fruit pulp, we're adding our chopped strawberries. Now make sure guys that the strawberries are bite-sized pieces, because either way they are going to stay intact, but we just don't want, you know, a really big bites. And next we're going to be adding our beautiful granulated sugar, and we're literally going to be mixing this and cooking it for 5 to 7 minutes until it gets nice and bubbly and thick. Once the sauce is done, leave it to room temperature. If you're in a rush, you can go ahead and definitely just pour this in a bowl, put it in the fridge for at least an hour until it gets nice and cold. The last thing we want to have is this very hot, and for it to melt all of our ingredients like the cream and the meringues. So make sure this is at room temperature or cold. Our next step is tearing these pieces of meringues into bite-sized pieces. If you want to do them a little bit on the smaller side or the medium side, just go ahead and do that. And if you want, you can also leave 2 or 3 meringues on the side just for a decoration. Once done, set it aside and let's begin making our whipped cream. For the whipping cream, it's very simple. I'm literally just going to be using my NutriBullet, but you can definitely just, you know, do it with an electric mixer. You can do it with, you know, a regular bowl and your whisk, but this is just so easy and so fast using this a little handy trick. And literally what I just did is place the heavy cream, the sugar, and a good quality vanilla. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. Just having a good quality vanilla makes a difference in the world when it comes to heavy whipping cream. Now I'm literally just, you know, fitting in the top of the NutriBullet, and it's whizzing away. Once the whipping cream is already made and done, I would definitely suggest to place it right into your fridge until you're ready to serve this dessert. In my opinion, what I love doing is making this before actually serving the dessert, so you have that beautifully fresh whipping cream that you see right there in my finger. Guys, this is the easiest trick. Now what I'm doing is I actually made a little bit more, so what I like doing is making an extra, just putting it on my meal prep bowl and placing it in the fridge and just using it for another occasion. Now for the plating. Now this is just a 3-step process. The first one is a layer of cream, second is a layer of that bite-sized meringue, and then the third layer is that beautiful cold strawberry and passion fruit sauce. Now you want to begin this and you want to layer this all the way till you get to the top of that flute. I'm actually using a champagne glass right here, but you are more than welcome to use any type of bowl, any type of glassware that is of your choice. Get creative with it, make it your own. But like you see here, the last layer that we're adding is of sauce.
Next, we're gonna be adding our lemon zest. Now this is really gonna brighten up those flavors, brighten up the color. And for the decoration, what we're literally going to do is just use everything that we have leftovers of. So the passion fruit pulp, the chopped strawberries, and lastly, we're gonna be using fresh mint. Now the fresh mint, guys, this is optional, but I just really love the color contrast and I really just love the flavors of the mint once you're done with the dessert. And here we go, our quick and easy Valentine's Day inspired dessert.
Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a big like, a big share, and remember, I'm bringing to you videos every single week, so stay tuned because next week I'm gonna be doing my easy, quick, under 15 minutes, famous creamy ravioli. Stay tuned. Ciao.